Sage University is a prominent association where technology, innovation, and entrepreneurship come together to build an impactful learning environment. Sage focuses on the growth of every intellectual who is a part of the institution. University also enriches the knowledge of students, whereas motivates them to get insights. Sage has provided quality education to more than 20,000 students so far. Let us take a 360-degree tour of the university campus. Here, you can see the classroom where lectures by the campus faculty take place. These classrooms offer a space for authentic and purposeful learning. We have now arrived at the campus library. The campus library is flooded with natural light and well stocked with books ranging from technology, business to history and art. It has a proper seating system for collaboration and also for independent study. This is the computer lab at the campus. Equipped with the internet access and desktops, they provide students with all amenities required to learn the latest programming languages, learn online, and enhance their wisdom and knowledge. The campus has a large auditorium that can accommodate more than 200 people at a time. It has a modern seating system for students, parents, and teachers to enjoy cultural performances, competitive events, and other group activities. The campus canteen serves as a much-needed break from long lectures. This canteen offers a great variety of snacks that students can enjoy with their friends. Here, you can see the campus playground that is used for outdoor sports like cricket and football, which highly encourage sportsmanship among students. This is the hostel section at the campus that has separate hostel for girls and boys. The rooms here are well managed by the housekeeping staff and contain necessary furniture that includes a bed, study table, and an almirah. The campus has a safe and secure transportation system. Buses are available for day-to-day travel of students. Managed by the campus, these buses are in perfect condition and are available to all campus students. This brings us to the end of the campus 360-degree video tour of Sage University. As you saw, the campus infrastructure is ready to offer a wholesome educational experience to students.